Welcome to our channel. If you want to access premium online courses and learning materials through free trials, follow these step-by-step instructions to try platforms like Coursera Plus, LinkedIn Learning, Skillshare, or Masterclass. Step 1. Choose an online learning platform that matches your educational interests, whether it's professional development, creative skills, academic subjects, or personal enrichment courses. Step 2. Visit the official website of your chosen learning platform and look for promotional offers advertising free trial access to their premium subscription or course catalog. Step 3. Click Try Free, Start Free Trial, or Free 7-Day Trial to begin the registration process. Many platforms offer trials ranging from 7 days to 1 month for new users. Step 4. Create a new account by entering your email address and setting a password. Some platforms may offer the option to sign up using your existing Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn credentials. Step 5. Complete your profile by adding information about your learning goals, interests, and professional background. This helps the platform recommend relevant courses during your trial. Step 6. Provide payment information by entering your credit card details or selecting an alternative payment method. You won't be charged during the trial, but payment information is required to continue access afterward. Step 7. Review the subscription terms, including the trial duration, the number of courses you can access, whether certificates are included, and the monthly or annual cost after the trial expires. Step 8. Start exploring and enrolling in courses immediately. Download course materials if offered, and set a reminder to decide whether to continue with a paid subscription or cancel before the trial ends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.